Good afternoon, Spartans. Welcome to another math lesson. So, we're in Module 1, Lesson 15. For now, this is going to be a lesson broken up into two parts, by the way. First of all, I want us to think about these two statements. Well, these three statements. But the first two are in English. All right? I want you to think about whether these statements are true or false. Statement A. Right now, I am watching a math video and an English video. Well, you are watching a math video right now, but are you watching an English video? While it's true that the video is in English, it is not a video about English. So this is not an English video. And so this one would be a false statement. How about statement B? Right now, I am watching a math video or an English video. Now, is that statement true? I am watching a math video. I am not watching an English video. But am I watching either a math video or an English video? Yes, a math video is either a math video or an English video. So this statement is true. Now, I want you to think about statement 3. 3 plus 5 equals 8, and 5 is less than 7 minus 1. Well, in order to evaluate whether these are true statements, let's break this down. What is 5 plus 3? 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 does equal 8, so that's a true statement. Now, how about this one? 5 is less than 7 minus 1. Well, 5 is 5, less than is less than. What's 7 minus 1? 7 minus 1 is 6. Is 5 less than 6? Yes, it is. That is also a true statement. So this is true. Now, I want you to consider this one and write this down over here. Go 3 plus 6 equals 9, and 5 is less than 4 plus 1. So, what is 3 plus 6? 9 equals 9. Is this a true statement? It is. Let's look at this second one. Well, 5 is 5, less than is less than. What is 4 plus 1? That's 5. Is this a true statement? Is 5 less than 5? No, it's not. So this statement would be false. So make sure you have this written in your notes when we come to check it tomorrow. Now, let's do some more. Let's do exercise 1. X plus 8 equal to 3. Well, let's solve this one. Very simply, let's solve it. What do I have to do to get x by itself? On this side, I got to subtract 8 on both sides. This leaves x on this side, and it leaves, well, 3 minus 8 is negative 5 on this side. And then on this equation, I got, well, get x by itself, I have to add 6 to both sides. And then I get x equals 8. Now, can x be either negative 5 or 8? Why, yes, it can. So this can be a true statement. How about this one? X minus 6 equals 1. Well, add 6 to both sides. I get x equals 7. And x plus 2 equals 9. I take that, I subtract 2 from both sides. I get x equals 7. Can x equal 7 and equal 7 at the same time? Well, of course it can, silly. There we go. That's a true statement. Now consider this one. X minus 6 equals 1, and x minus 2 equals 9. Now, if I solve both of these for x, I add 6 to both sides, and I get x equals 7. And then here I solve for x, add 2 to both sides, and I get x equals 11. Now, can x equal 7 and equal 11 at the same time? No, they cannot. So this statement must be false.